How to enable or disable dim wallpaper when dark mode is on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. And from here, we go down and tap on dim wallpaper when dark mode is on. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Once this is turned on, the wallpaper will be dimmed when dark mode is on. So we can test it out. We go into display and turn on dark mode. And that's it. So we are now in dark mode. And the wallpaper should be dim out when it is in dark mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.